Hey, this is Eric with TechnoRV, and this is the Learning Series video for the Garmin RV 785 GPS. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do updates. You get free lifetime map updates with your Garmin. And Garmin does a great job of updating maps throughout the year and doing construction updates and making sure that as you go down the road, you've got the most up-to-date maps, but you need to go in and make these updates happen. So what you want to do is to do this is you'll want to be connected to Wi-Fi, some high-speed internet, and I've showed you how to do that in another video. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click these little 6 dots right here, and then it says System Updates, and it's checking for system updates. And I've got a couple of updates available here. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on Map Updates. And it's saying, hey, due to limited disk space, that it's going to wipe out the current maps to put on the new maps. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And telling me the size of the file. And I'm okay with that. And then it's going to start downloading the updates. This is good news because I'll know that I have the most up-to-date maps possible through Garmin. So I'm going to allow this to update, and when it's done, we'll come back and check things out from there. All right, so the install is downloaded, and you really need to make sure you have some high-speed internet when you do this. I really didn't, and this took quite a while. So some of these updates can be bigger than others. And this one was pretty big. So once that happens, we're just going to hit restart and install here. I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. And we'll let that install the updates here. And this could take a little while here, so we'll let that percolate a little bit, and we'll come back when that's done. All right, so once that install is completed, then it basically shuts the GPS down, does a restart, brings you back to this screen. And so if we just go back into this little icon with the 6 dots, go back into the System Updater, and then what you'll see is that the maps are now up to date here. But I still have that software update available. And so that's okay. But you can kind of see where to go there. Another place that you can check for updates is if you just swipe down on the either the top left or top right hand corner, then it'll show you if you have an update. Like it says an update is available. Touch for more options there. And that's that software update that still exists there. And so Garmin does a great job at keeping their maps updated, their software updated. It's really a strong suit for the Garmin company. And so make sure you go in routinely and check to see if there's any updates. Connect to Wi-Fi, check it out, and make sure your maps are always updated. That will make your trips much more pleasant. And that is how you update your Garmin RV 785.